In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize fonts in the Brave browser. If you've ever found text on websites a bit hard to read or just not your style, Brave makes it easy to adjust. We'll start by opening the browser settings. Look to the top right corner of Brave for the menu icon, the one with three horizontal lines. Click it, then select Settings. This takes you to the main control area for how Brave looks and behaves. On the left side, you'll see a list of categories. Click Appearance to open the visual options for your browser. This is where you can fine-tune how content is presented without changing how pages function. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Customize Fonts and click it. This panel is where all your font choices live, and changes here update in real time so you can see what you're getting before you commit. Start with the standard font. This is the default typeface used for most general web content. Pick something that's clear and comfortable for long reading sessions. If you prefer more personality, choose a font with a bit of character, but keep readability in mind. Next, choose fonts for serif, sans serif, and fixed width. Serif fonts have small decorative strokes at the ends of letters and often feel traditional or book-like. Sans serif fonts remove those strokes, offering a cleaner, modern look that many people find easier to read on screens. Fixed width, sometimes called mono-spaced, gives every character the same width and is ideal for code or text that needs alignment. Selecting these ensures websites that request a particular category still display in a style you prefer. Now adjust the font sizes. Use the sliders to set how large your standard, serif, sans serif, and fixed width text should appear. A small bump can make a big difference in comfort, especially on high-resolution displays. Aim for a size that's easy on your eyes without forcing line breaks to feel cramped. As you tweak each option, look at the preview area to see your choices reflected immediately. Brave applies these changes automatically across the web, so you don't need to save anything. As you browse, pages will use your new fonts based on their category settings. That's it. You've fine-tuned your reading experience in Brave. If your needs change, revisit Appearance and Customize Fonts anytime to refine your picks. Enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable web tailored to your eyes.